Okay, so the next item, point number 7, is for a finishes schedule to be created and saved in the job selections within the folder. Now let's take a look at what this finishes schedule is and how it works. Okay, now the whole idea behind the finishes schedule is for a place where you can record all your different types of finishes and selections that are going to be used throughout the project. So as an example, on the exterior, you're going to be looking at what sort of roof tile. Is it going to be roof tile? Is it going to be ColourBond, brickwork, cladding, what type of gutters, timber decking, handrail, stairs, anything you can think of that might be used on the exterior of the building, that's your chance to add it in there. Then you can go across the top and add in location, thickness, size, colour, code, any model numbers, contact info, and you can put in their websites and things. You can click on it and link back to it. Now, this is something that you would be sending to the client in conjunction with a list of your preferred suppliers so that they can go out and start selecting some of these items. Now, the rest of this sheet, if we go through, basically just tries to cover every component of a house. So every room, every elevation, whether it's the entry, you can see there the entry, kitchen, living room, it'll be all your bedrooms, dining, all your different elevations that might be involved in the project. And it's the same sort of thing. You'll see there what's involved in the dining. Is it going to be any joinery? What type of skirting? Type of architraves? Doors, locks, lighting, timber, carpet, paint. Then again, there could be a handful of other things you might want to include in there. Again, the whole idea is just to put it into one document or one schedule that anyone can read from, save it into your job folder, then everyone knows what is being used for the project. So it not only helps you to be organised as a company so that everyone knows where the documentation is, but it also helps you look professional by helping you to get the client to select all these things up front. We all know what it's like when you start a project and the client hasn't selected something, how much it can hold the project up because you don't have those materials on site. So another quick look all the way through here. You can flick through this at your convenience. You know, you get down to things like this, PC and fitment schedule. This comes in quite handy when you're talking about sinks, taps, different appliances, GPOs. You might have some notes at the end, some general sort of notes that get included for the client that, you know, all power points will be to a certain height off the floor, all light switches will be to a certain height. You can add in any extra notes that you may need. So yeah, you get the picture of what that form is required for. Now, if we go back here, once that's been filled out, like I said, just save that in the item selections list within the job folder. And you can see here there's the item selections folder that you will just save that sheet into under the schedule.